By 2025, how much will a 20 million Shiba Inu coin be worth? As of late, the long-anticipated Shibarium is nearing completion, according to the latest developments. The Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet has been deployed, and the cryptocurrency community is thrilled about it, according to a recent update from the Shiba Inu team. The price of Shib increased immediately with the announcement of the launch of the Shibarium testnet. One of the reasons this currency has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchase Shiba Inus before the product's real introduction, which is expected to cause an explosion. The main issue with Shiba Inu's reliance on the Ethereum blockchain is something that has been addressed by the creation of Shibarium. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain technology, which also enables developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is one of the essential services that continues to increase Shiba Inu currency acceptance. We'll discuss the value of a 20 million Shiba Inu coin by 2025 in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu dropped 1.2% in the last 24 hours and 15.2% in the last 7 days on January 5. Shib had one of the worst days among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, with its price of $0.982, while being the 19th biggest digital asset by market capitalization. The 24-hour trading volume for the meme currency has increased by around 30%, with the majority of these deals being hosted by Binance and Coinbase. Altcoins are seeing significant rallies after those of the market leaders, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has often been the case in past market cycles. This might be because traders are reinvesting earnings from high-size assets into more manageable ones. According to statistics from CryptoQuant, the quantity of SHIB tokens being transferred to exchanges experienced a huge jump on December 10, when over 14 trillion tokens were put on exchanges. The increase in price today suggests that assets could be opened as derivative contracts instead of being sold on the open market. If the futures market is the source of the present SHIB price movements, then the market may become more volatile if long holdings start to liquidate. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is developing Shibarium, the Layer-2 network, to function at the highest level of Ethereum. Although some people see Shibarium as a price-pumping tool, the creators said in their project introduction blog post that this is not and has never been the product's objective. Instead, the group contends that the Layer-2 network it is developing would reduce expenses and expedite up transactions for the tokens inside the ecosystem. The price of Shiba Inus has increased dramatically in January. However, as wider periods do not exhibit the perfect bullish indications, care should still be used. Investors are focusing on the Shiba Inu price because of the month-long surge of volatility, which has produced several lucrative day trading possibilities. The technicals indicate a short-term halt in the market, but there are grounds to be cautious about the long-term prospects of the rally in Julies. The current price of Shiba Inu is $0.982. An odd circumstance is represented by the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points. The indications are clearly positive on a daily time frame. During the most recent surge, they reached overbought levels above the 70 mark. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence while staying in the neutral zone. This may be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are swimming toward a waterfall that might see liquidation in the next weeks. If so, a challenge to the recent origin point at $0.800 may cause a 25% drop in SHIB price from what it is now. Furthermore, the smart money could qualify the SHIB's potential for a future upswing at the liquidity level above the disguised bearish divergence. The negative argument may be refuted by a breach at $0.1516, which would trigger a rebound toward the August high at $0.1793, increasing the market value of Shiba Inus by 75%. Many people expressed their appreciation for Shiba Inu in the comment thread on January 4, 2023, even going so far as to praise it above Dogecoin, the original meme currency that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin back in 2013. The SHIB is continuing steadily rising, and there are currently no indications of a market reversal. The most probable cause of this unanticipated upward surge is a slew of updates on Shibarium and listings on many major cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu has also been exhibiting breakout potential. It has been accumulating near the 200-day moving average for almost 4 days, which may have been an accumulation phase prior to the current breakout. However, according on his previous tweets, David Goxstein only owns Doge in Shiba Inu. The burning volume will probably continue to rise if the market's current price trend continues. Early in December, the San Francisco-based exchange's affiliate, the Japanese trading platform Urgunt Japan, gained support for the second largest meme currency based on market capitalization value. The most recent Shiba Inu Coin news indicates that the market is likely to remain gloomy and that not much should be anticipated. It can take some time for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some experts predict a significant crypto winter is yet to come, others believe that investors are in for a positive ride. Initiatives like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs might provide more momentum, pushing the price over the $0.269 objective. Normal buying and selling forces might push the price to $0.185 at the same moment. Ultimately, the price could remain at $0.102 due to unfavorable patterns. The increasing prominence of luxury and retail brands may pave the way for an inflow of high-end clients and worldwide exposure. The spike effect is seen one after the other, with whales now holding the majority of the stake, followed by investors and retail. Nevertheless, there has been a consistent increase in the volume aided by merchants. Therefore, SHIB's price might reach $0.361 in the event of a rise in purchase orders. However, SHIB's diminishing position and low volume might drive the price as low as $0.305. Based on both bullish and bearish objectives, $0.250 may be the average price's basis. SHIB is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the creator's ambitious plans come to pass and if it becomes a major force in the metaverse. The price of SHIB can reach $0.437. In the event that customary purchasing and selling forces influence the market, SHIB's average price might be $0.377. On the negative side, there is a danger if investors are unable to keep up with the digital asset's liquidity on exchanges. FUD and pessimistic views might drive the price down to $0.318. The fact that the price of a Shiba Inu has dropped by more than 87% from its 80-year high of $0.0845 is concerning. However, if the bulls surge, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of $0.259 by the end of 2024, based on Coinpedia's calculated price projection. The price of the meme coin may enter a bearish hook and reach a low of $0.112 if negative tendencies driven by large liquidations take hold. The network added Leash as the next token after SHIB. The network swiftly changed from its initial rebased token form to a fungible one similar to the previous token. The coin presently has a fixed supply of $0.112 since the keys were burned. Special awards will be given to anybody who maintains the currency's liquidity, according to the network. The network is very safe since Ethereum powers it, even if it is still a growing project. Since Ethereum intends to move from a proof-of-work (POW) to a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus method, we may anticipate that Shiba Inu will benefit in part from the change. Prominent exchanges include Uniswap, Wagerex India, Coin, Binance and Coinbase Pro list the cryptocurrency. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.